跑了出来，
叫完报警大水。
咱们感动感。
The Honorable Senator Ivy is still on her way. She should be up in a few minutes. Honorable Senator Ivy Marcos. The Honorable distinguished members of the diplomatic corps. There are several of them. I could not name them one by one, but you know who you are. The Excellencies, honorable officials of the Senate, House of Representatives, Judiciary, Executive Branch, honorable governors, vice governors, mayors and vice mayors, councilors. I don't know how many of them are present today, but maraming salamat po for coming over. Our distinguished awardees and guests, friends in media, so many people from from media are here tonight. Fellow FCCC II officers, ladies and gentlemen, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Wansang hao, good evening. In behalf of the Federation of Filipino-Chinese Chambers of Commerce and Industry, Inc., I'm happy to wish you all a happy Chinese New Year. Xin Nian Kuai Le. It is with great joy that we gather here tonight to celebrate remarkable milestones. Our Chinese New Year celebration with our fellow Chinoys who are serving the government, the kick-off ceremony for the 50th anniversary of the Philippines-China diplomatic relations, and the recognition of outstanding Chinoy achievers. As we welcome the Chinese New Year, the year of the snake in the Chinese calendar, we are gathered as one united family, ready to embrace a fresh start, ready to face new opportunities, and ready to receive more blessings that we can share. Last night we have our grand celebration in Jones Bridge in Chinatown.
Ricky and Lee, in recognition of your exceptional talent, creativity, and achievements in film and broadcast arts. Your work as a screenwriter, journalist, novelist, playwright, and educator have touched lives, inspired many, and set a new standard of excellence. The FFCCCII recognizes your distinguished achievements, which brings friendship and understanding between the Filipino-Chinese community. Signed by President Dr. Cecilio K.
inutusan lang po ako ni President Pedro para magsalita raw. This award is special because I'm getting it on my 40th year as a journalist and because it's my very first from the Filipino-Chinese or the Chinoy community. Akala ko po hindi na kami ma-acknowledge. So thank you very much to the FFCCCII or the Federation of Filipino-Chinese Chambers of Commerce and Industry. I give back the honor to my Chinese grandfathers who crossed the seas from Guangdong province in China around 90 years ago to try and make it here. How I wish one of them is here tonight. Because this recognition or this award is for them too. To the Chinese community and to the FFCCCI, thank you again for this and for all the good things that you do. Thank you for setting a good example for the generations to come. To lead, work hard, but live simple and frugal lives, and yet ever so generous to help others in need. Happy Chinese New Year to everyone. May the Lunar New Year bring you not only prosperity, but better health, more happy memories, and more love. Mabuhay po kayo.